guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll talk about the new graphic card which were released by NVIDIA, basically RTX 3070, 3080, 3090. So I'll talk about in details and the new graphic cards from AMD as well. So finally we have a chill in graphic card market because NVIDIA has last week released their new graphic cards. The three new graphic cards are RTX 3070, 3080 and 3090. On the other hand, AMD has also teased few streamers about their new graphic card with their game Fortnite. You can go to Fortnite and you will get the message somewhere which says something big is about to come. With this they mean about the new RDNA 2 graphic cards, and probably the new one could be 6000 XT because they asked the gamers to put 6000 number and it will give you the message that something big is about to come. So that's a very good thing because we can see a lot of new graphic cards in the upcoming months in the market, and that's going to be a very good thing in future for PC builders because they would have wide variety of choice for graphic card at very good prices. So in today's video I'll talk about the new graphic cards which are released by NVIDIA, the new graphic card which are going to release by AMD. We'll talk about the teasers and I'll tell you whether it's too soon to buy the NVIDIA graphic card and a lot more details. So if you're interested in this video, just watch this video till the end. My name is Shiv and you're watching Tech Tips by Shiv. Let's get started. So like I said, NVIDIA has recently announced three new graphic cards, RTX 3070, 3080 and 3090. So NVIDIA claims that the new generation RTX 3070 will outperform the RTX 2080 Ti. So this is going to happen for the first time, that the top end graphic card of one generation is going to be replaced by the low end graphic card of the next generation. It is not very good to call it low end, but since this is the lowest option available in 3000 series, I'll call it the lowest end graphic card in RTX 3000 lineup. So at the same time, I really feel bad about people who recently bought RTX 2080 Ti. I know that hurts. So for people who are new to the graphic cards market, let me tell you, RTX 2080 Ti is the top end graphic card available from NVIDIA right now at consumer level, I would say. So that costs around 1 lakh rupees to 1,10,000 rupees in Indian market. And the new graphic card released by NVIDIA, which is RTX 3070, will outperform NVIDIA 2080 Ti, and RTX 3070 will be priced somewhere around 52,000 rupees only. I know that's half of the price of 2080 Ti right now, but yes, that's the most exciting thing about this upcoming generation of RTX series. To give better reference to non-PC builders, let's assume that you buy an Apple iPhone Pro at 1 lakh rupees and just suddenly after the next day or next week, Apple releases iPhone 12 at half price, which is 50,000 or 52,000, and which has specs better than iPhone 11 Pro. How would you feel? That's exactly what the 2080 Ti users are feeling right now who bought it recently. You can also see the second-hand market is flooded with the RTX series graphic card right now. I'm talking about the RTX 2000 series. So do you think it is the good time to buy the RTX 3000 series? I mean, they're about to release in September and RTX 3070 is the only graphic card which will release in October. So I believe all the graphic cards of RTX 3000 series will be available in market by October. But do you think it's a good time to buy graphic cards in October? Or should we still wait? From a consumer level, I still believe that we should wait for AMD to also announce their graphic cards because they will be coming up with RDNA 2. So we have already heard the rumors and we have already seen the leaks of Xbox Series X, which will be equipped with the RDNA 2, and we already know that it will be very powerful and it will be able to play games at 8K resolution as well. Yes, you heard correctly. The new generation RDNA 2 will be capable of doing 8K gaming, and you know that 8K gaming is no joke. But RDNA 2 promises to play games at 8K resolution as well. So let's say even if RDNA 2 plays games at 8K resolution only at 30 FPS as well, so I still believe that it's a very strong graphic card because 8K gaming requires lot of power. Hence I believe RDNA 2 will be able to give strong competition to RTX 3080 at least. I'm not sure about any kind of competition to RTX 3090 as of now. Because RTX 3090 is altogether a very strong graphic card that replaces the Titan series graphic card from the last generation. So I'm not sure about any kind of substitute for 3090 from AMD, but definitely RDNA 2 graphic card like 6000 XT should be able to compete with the RTX 3080 series. Okay, now so a lot of you guys might say that AMD has bad drivers, they do not give good driver support, and it crashes a lot of time, it is not very stable, it has lots and lots of downsides. I can agree on that. I do agree on that. But if you think from a company's perspective, AMD is a very big company and they're investing in graphic card industry, which is already $20 billion. So if a company like AMD investing in this industry, they would be looking for the downsides as well. They should be planning to overcome all these downsides. I know this has to happen someday. So if they're investing in this industry and they're planning to survive in this industry for a longer period of time, then definitely someday they will fix these issues. And I just want you to wait for some time so that we can know if that day is going to be this time or not. I mean, the new RDNA 2 will solve these issues or not. Will they fix the driver support issue? Will they fix the stability issue or not? But if you're an NVIDIA fanboy and you just give absolutely no damn about the AMD cards, then you can absolutely pick any of the graphic cards from the 3000 series. I would say RTX 3070 and RTX 3080 would be more than enough to play games, to stream, or do editing on that graphic card. But RTX 3090 should be an overkill because it is designed for people who are into 3D designing, graphic designing, heavy machine learning, deep learning, AI and different kind of stuff. And if you're not planning to do that, then RTX 3070 and 3090 is more than enough. And NVIDIA also talked about new softwares which are going to release, like NVIDIA Broadcast, which will help you to stream your game directly to Facebook, Twitch, or whatever, and you'll be able to get the crop from your webcam without having the green screen. That's absolutely great for people who are streaming on single PC, or someone who does not have a green screen and has a very tiny room and little messed up background. And we also talked about the reflex technology, which will reduce the latency while you play games, so that's going to be very interesting. We are looking forward to see that as well. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. You can give me a thumbs down if it's opposite. And subscribe to my channel if you're interested in technology or PC related content. I post videos frequently on such topics. Also share this video with your friends who are looking for new graphic card or who are probably just want to know about the new graphic cards. So I'm signing off now. Till then, stay safe, take care.